Building a product can be nerve-wracking. Communication and processes can often crumble while you need to deliver quality products fast. What if there was a better way to accelerate your design workflow for not just yourself, but your entire team? Tutorial Tim has got you covered. Boost your design implementation from 60 to 100%. Power up your team with a learning platform full of educational resources so you don't have to curate in-house documentation yourself. The courses are personalized for designers and developers to get you up and running with Figma to build products effectively. Learn to apply your skills today and make an impact in your organization. Learn at your own pace. With Tutorial Tim, you get 24/7 year-round access to exclusive material on tips, mentorship, and solutions to the challenges you're facing on demand. Create robust design systems, prototypes, get certifications, support, and access to a private network of like-minded professionals. Power up your design process. Try now for free at tutorialtim.com.